Hi, this is Irma from Food for Healthy Bones, and now we're going to slip into the next thing that we use every day in our house, which is dishwashing detergent or dishwashing soap. Here's another glass bottle that we buy from Amazon. We've labeled it dishwash. And the way we do it is that we take this Castile soap and put in about half the bottle's worth. Well, let me be clear on that. Fill up the bottle about halfway, maybe 3/4 of the way. Yeah. Then I'll add a balance is the water. Fill it right about to the neck of the bottle. And then I will add my essential oils. The lemon essential oil, again, antimicrobial, antifungal, antibacterial. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the thieves. This is magic. This is a Young Living oil product, and this is what we use for everything in our house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put the top on and give it a shake. And there is my dishwashing bottle. Very economical, safe for the dishes, safe for the environment, safe for our rivers and streams and our wells. So that's it. Thank you very much for stopping by. Skelly, anything else? Oh, Skelly reminded me, if you want to have more recipes, please go to my website, www.foodforhealthybones.com. And there you'll see my 5 bone-loving recipes. If you add your name into that, you'll receive my 5 bone-loving recipes, and you'll be part of my email system. You'll get monthly newsletters from me on all things about bones and all things about food for healthy bones. So thank you so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye for now.